So na yenko from Montemo na Department of Gender, Children and Social Protection. Yeah, no voter region. So ne eda kwan ne nyumaku ahodo kabom ya wono mo hwehwe efiewura wono so abofra wote ne fie wanya mfie du ensia wono so aya na yakayaka de Adom TV etwaso.
Department of Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection, Womunkurabata ewo from Antam ne emu, ene nyumekuo bi edin sawoswa ehwese. Abaya wedding finishane dunsia, ni fiewura ebro no, obetimi ama atentene ne aye adwuma ediama no. Na Voter Regional Director, Emma Gender, Children and Social Protection, Daiweleira PH Redia. Webe yensana ho ediama afoforo se de beya, bibia te sei no, ebi NCBM. Na humpese Ghana adehye nya nentie se, na mebia ya nete sei no, so maso ye no wetia, eya wo mu ho dwiri wo mu, na eja wo mu ayem hyehye. Eno ntombeko so a abodahuro de nkyerɛkyerɛ ama afoforo de afasade, esese wo mu ene nkoda etena.
We also find it important to ask all our members who are also service providers to come on board so that together we can find justice for this girl. This girl has been traumatized. She's been battling for her life. And so for us, it's important that justice is served and this girl can recover from the trauma, from the difficulty that the circumstances has put her in. And so as a committee today, we have all agreed that we should work towards getting
Enwechi ofa konya ne so kyerɛkyerɛ mu dwumadi ahodo bia o maso ye netumi etu ho anamo a etumi wie peye edema wo mu.
So as a department, our work is to advocate and sensitize people on social issues that affect them and then hinder their development. And so for the third quarter as a department, Department of Gender Voter Region, with support from the UNFPA and working under the auspices of the Voter Regional Coordinating Council, we've implemented a couple of programs to help educate the public and help educate young people